Hey guys, we'll be continuing on wherever we left off. We left off right after I made our first paragraph. And so right away let's get into our next thing and which is adding in our H2. So you just want to click right here, bracket thing and H2. Close that, you get your other tag and you type in my hobbies. My hobbies. So let's say these are my hobbies and I have certain hobbies. And let's make a little paragraph tag and nothing new. You already know I'm going to do that. And close it. And let's say I like eating, laughing, uh laughing, and I like eating, laughing, and playing. That's a couple funny uh, hobbies, but let's say that's our hobbies. And let's open up our live preview. And our live preview is over here. Our blog post, we have our first paragraph, and now we have our H2 and our second paragraph. So now, if you don't see this, contact me in the comments below or go to W3 Schools. They are very helpful. I will put a link to them in the description below. But here so far, let's just see how much time I have left. So I get 10 minutes. So let's continue on what we are doing right here. So, um, we have our H1, H2, and everything, and you're thinking, man, that thing kind of looks bland and kind of dead. Where's all the happiness in the site? It looks just plain. And of course, there's a way to solve this boring problem, and that is using CSS. So we'll hop right on over to our style.css file, and we'll just type in right away HTML space and then curly brackets. Want to make some space in there by clicking enter, like you know. And let's start off just by setting a background color, because right now our white, what are you talking about? What do you mean white? That's super bland and super boring. So let's add some happiness in the background. So let's type in background, and if you go down here, it says color. So you click background color, and our background color, it can be any one of these, and there's crap ton more. This is like nothing. So let's say we use dark golden rod. Okay, I haven't used this one before, but let's say this is our one, background color, dark golden rod. Now, our dark golden rod is our background color. And also, just gonna tell you now, so it gives you a live preview of what the color looks like. And if you want to change just a little bit of it, you can click Control E on Windows and Command E on Mac. So Control E, that comes me to the editing area where you can edit the color. So I can make it a little lighter, a little darker. I can leave it right there. That looks like a nice color. Um, yeah, let's give it. That might be way too bright. Might be like highlighter. Let's give it that orangish black. And so right there we have. And if you don't want to do that editing, you can just copy this. But I say that you should mess around with it a little. Give it whatever color you like. Any of those colors would be fine. So now you just click Live Preview, and let's see. Our live preview will be, it'll have this nice brownish color that we just put on. And you're like, well, yeah, I mean, I love a nice background color. Who doesn't? Like, first it was just bland, and now you have a nice, beautiful color in the background. So let's leave that open for now, and let's not close it, because we're going to be going back to that very often now. So we have our H1 and H2. So if you want to give those a special color, you can go to H1, a space, curly brackets, make a space inside, and say color. And you can make it Alice Blue, because that's the first one there. And you can fiddle around with it, but I'm not going to just for the sake of time. And you can see it's Alice Blue. And now you see these blue boxes around here. The blue box is just saying in my CSS that's what's highlighted, but Alice Blue seems to be really white, and so we can do that in all of ours. So we can go over here and do that to our H2. So what you can do here is you can highlight the H1. That's not how you do it. I'm gonna do that, and then click Control D or Command D, and it'll bring you down to this, and just enter, and you got a space. Then you can do the same exact thing and just change this to H2. We can go back here, check this out. My hobbies. Look, now this is white, Alice Blue too. Let's see how much time I have left. 5 more minutes. Okay, now that we have that time, H1, H2, we got our nice colors that we like. And if you don't like those colors, just change it around. Like I said, you can make it dark gray, dark white, I don't know. Do it whatever color you'd like. But this is our preview right now for here. And yeah, so I think what we did today is in this video right here, we did our background colors and the colors of the things. So we can change that. So we have our little paragraphs down there. They're just their own color, black, and maybe we don't think black is just way too plain. We give it like a nice tan of brown or a tan of white or a tan of, I don't know, just give it a tan color, which might be kind of hard to see under that, but let's see. Let's give P space this, curly brackets, enter, and make some space inside there. And we can make the color in there. Color. Let's see what's down here. There's a blanched diamond. Cadet blue. Let's do cadet blue, because that looks like a nice color. We go over to here, and cadet blue is the exact same color of the highlighted parts. And just to get so we don't have to see that, blue coloring, the blue coloring is gone, and we just have our cadet blue colored. And this might be the most weirdest blog post you've seen, but I promise we will make this look 10 times better in the next couple of videos, in the next couple of tutorials. This will not look like this. This will look like something that you are proud to have been making. So like you see, like this is like super squished to the side. We'll be taking all of this and putting it over here in the center, and or we can just put a little bit of space here so the margin line's like right here or something, and we can give each one of them an entire color. So like one color will be from my blog post to here. It'll have its own background color. My hobbies will have its own color, and so on. And you can have like one over here and one over here, and we'll be doing all of that great stuff in the next video and the videos to come. And so that'll be ending our video here today, and we'll hopefully get 2 more videos tomorrow, maybe a 3rd video today, maybe a 4th video today if I'm feeling it. And I'll try and get maybe at least 2 or 3 videos in every day, just so we can get this beautiful project that we've started and make it into something even cooler than just this. Because this isn't very cool, but we can make it a lot better. So stay tuned for the next tutorials, and I'll see you then. Goodbye!